from Cotton Eye Joe.
Hit me, baby, one more time. Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
A blinding flash of white light. A blinding flash of white light lit up the sky over Gaza tonight. People running for cover, not knowing whether they're dead or alive. They came with their tanks and their planes, with ravaging fiery flames, and nothing remains, just a voice rising up in the smoky haze.